Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you quick, easy, tasty as street food style masala puri recipe. Whenever you want to eat something in the evening, then try this simple recipe. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Here I have taken half cup of green peas. Soak these overnight or at least 6 to 7 hours. Add these soaked dry green peas into a pressure cooker along with 2 peeled potato pieces. Add some water and salt and cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles. As you can see here, potato and green peas cooked well. From this, approximately 2 tablespoons of green peas and potato will keep aside. Remaining we will mash it nicely. In a kadai, heat some oil on medium flame and then add 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger piece, 2 green chilies, 1 chopped onion. Fry them nicely until onions are transparent. And then add 1 chopped tomato and fry till tomatoes are mushy. Everything is fried well. Now turn off the flame, cool it and add in a mixer jar. Along with this we need to add few mint leaves and handful of coriander leaves. And add boiled green peas and potato. Add some water and grind it into a fine paste. Next, in a kadai, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, we need to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute them for few seconds. And then add masala paste which we prepared earlier. Mix it well with the dry masala powder. Now add this potato and green peas. Mix well. Now add as much water as needed. Mix well. When you feel the consistency of water is right, at last we need to add required salt. Add salt as per taste. Mix well and let it boil for 5 to 6 minutes. As you can see here, masala puri masala is ready. Now we will turn off the flame. Next, here I have taken enough oil in a kadai and we will deep fry pani puris. These are you will get in any grocery market. We will deep fry it and this is ready. Now we will arrange the masala puri plate. For that, take a plate and first we need to crush some pani puris. Now the second layer is prepared masala. Next, add some finely chopped onion, finely chopped tomatoes, some sieve, And finally garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves. And the masala puri is ready. It is exactly same as street style. Try this and enjoy with your family as an evening snack, and you will forget to go to outside. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel.